It will be my final time racing the National Stadium. And it is, honestly, it's one of those moments that I'm looking forward to. You know why? Because I have absolutely nothing to lose and all to gain, because it is your love and it's your support and it's your encouragement that has kept me. And as I stand on the track in the next 2 days, it's not just about the track, but it's what's possible. It's how we continue to shift and change the narrative around female or elite sprinting. It's about your time, honoring your time. It's knowing what you want and going the distance for that. It's about telling others that no one gets to tell you when or how or where. You get to show up, because I want for this generation to understand that yes, we want the government to show up. We want private sector to show up. But what about us? It starts with us when it comes to my foundation and giving back. And it is my mandate to make sure that every single student at the primary level in this country will never run barefoot at the national stage. You all have been giving me that support, that love, and that strength to be here. And as I look forward to this year, again, as I said it's a celebration, but it's a winning moment, right? It's a winning moment. It's the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, passion, and just putting God first. Because I'm telling you, I don't know where I'd be without Him. There are many days I sat down and I said, Lord, I don't even understand why I am here or what I'm doing, but you continue to lead and you continue to show up in this space for me.